Hello children, today we will do the exercise of Bharat Desh from the English literature book of DAV class 6. So let's start. Number 1. Understanding the poem. A. Now read the gist of the poem given below. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words or phrases. Through the poem Bharat Desh, the speaker wants us to shake off our fears and poverty and set up schools for the students. He wants us to produce tools, weapons, and paper. He advises us not to be dash or dash, lazy or weary, and try to be dash, generous. He wants his countrymen to know more about scriptures, sciences, and mysteries of moon. Following all this, our country shall rise high and prosper. Number B. On the basis of your understanding of the poem, match the following phrases appropriately, as done in the example. Sake of. Sake of will be matched with fears and poverty, as it is given. Stroll on will be matched with snow-clad silvery heights. Sail across. It will be matched with high seas. Set up. It will be matched with schools or sacred temples. Thump will be matched with shoulders, our shoulders. Make will be matched with tools and weapons. Produce will be matched with paper. Open will be matched with factories and schools. Never will be matched with lazy or weary. Ever will be matched with generous. Learn will be matched with scriptures and sciences. Explore will be matched with heavens and oceans. Unravel will be matched with mysteries of moon. Number C. Read the following extracts. A. We shall set up schools or sacred temples. Number B. We shall set up schools all as sacred as temples. In extract A, the comparison between schools and temples is not direct but implied. And this type of implied comparison is called a metaphor. In extract B, the schools are being compared to temples directly. This direct comparison between two things is called a simile. तो बच्चों क्या है इसमें, नंबर ए जो है उसमें क्या किया गया है, कोई डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन नहीं है ना, लेकिन क्या है, स्कूल कैसे है कि सेक्रेड है टेम्पल जैसे, बट ये नहीं बोला गया कि इट इज़ एज सेक्रेड एज टेम्पल. सो ये जो है डायरेक्ट कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. इस तरह की कंपैरिजन को हम लोग मेटाफोर बोलते हैं. और जो सेकंड बी नंबर जो ऑप्शन है उसमें क्या है, उसमें स्कूल्स को बोला गया है ऑल एज सेक्रेड एज टेम्पल्स, यानी यहाँ डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन है. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, सिमाइल. ओके. तो और एक चीज़ नोट करो बच्चों, जो ए नंबर है सी का ए, उसमें देयर इज़ अ मिस्टेक इन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ सेक्रेड. इट विल बी SACRED, but it has been SCARED, scared. So do the required correction. Number D. Given below are a few examples of metaphor. Complete this by filling in the blanks with appropriate words from the box given below. One has been done for you as an example. Number 1. The baby has a soft skin. Her rabbit skin fascinated me. Here you see children, जो रैबिट की जो स्किन होती है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है. यहाँ पे बेबी की स्किन को रैबिट के स्किन के साथ कंपैरिजन किया गया है, लेकिन ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं बोला गया है कि द स्किन ऑफ द बेबी इज़ एज सॉफ्ट एज अ रैबिट. तो दिस इज़ अ मेटाफोर. Number 2. Ravi is the bravest soldier in the army. He is a dash amongst other. He is a dash amongst other. He is a lion amongst other. Number 3. Shiv is a very swift child. He is the dash of his class. He is the cheetah of his class. Number 4. Chintu imitates his elder brother. His brother gets irritated by this little monkey. Now number 2. Horse. What should be our priority? Our personal growth or our motherland's growth, and why? I think our personal growth or our motherland's growth both are the complementary of each other. Without personal growth, that is the development of the human with respect to health, education and well-being, one cannot be capable of making growth of his motherland. But after personal growth, one cannot stop. Then with all his capabilities, he has to try for the development and growth of the motherland, since the growth of the motherland also promotes the personal growth. Number 3. Life skills. Some children of your class often speak about going abroad for further studies and their plans to settle there. You strongly feel that one should stay in one's own country. How will you help them see your point of view? I strongly believe that one should stay in his own country. Living in our own country also, we can earn a lot, and being in our own country, we can ensure the development and progress of our country. Life skills. B. Why is it important to learn scriptures as well as sciences? Discuss with your partner. We have to learn both scriptures and sciences. Learning of scriptures will help us to build our character, and by learning sciences, we will learn about the facts of nature and discover many mysteries of the world. Number 4. Values. The poem Bharat Desh highlights certain important values which the citizens of a country need to embed in themselves to make their country progress. Can you shortlist them? Sir, the qualities which the citizens of a country need to embed in themselves to make their country progress are: Number 1. They should have the feeling of patriotism in them. Number 2. They should be free from their fears and sorrows. Number 3. They should be courageous. Number 4. They have to work hard. Number 5. They should build their character as a generous and truthful person. Number 6. They should make efforts to discover new things and facts. Number 5. Writing skills. Write a short paragraph. I am proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. India is a country rich in cultures and diversities. Yes, there are many countries which are more developed and have made much more progress than India. But India is a well-known, developing and progressive country with its vast population. It is not that the developed countries don't face any problem. Each country has some problems like we also have some. But India has given freedom to its people to speak, the freedom to express ourselves, and the freedom to select and dismiss our central power. So I am proud to be an Indian. India has given birth to the great legendaries such as Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Gandhiji, Rabindranath Tagore, Aryabhatta, etc. I love my India. So the exercise is completed. बाय बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.